Right now, most creators are paying $20, $40, even $100 every month for AI tools, for voiceovers, landing pages, music, research, and more. But what if I told you can replace most of those paid tools with completely free ones? In this video, I'm going to show you 10 AI tools you won't believe are free. And by the end, you might cancel a few subscriptions because some of these tools can do the work people are paying freelancers $50 to $200 per week. Let's start with the first one. Tool number 1 is Wisprflow. Think about how much time you spend typing captions, emails, scripts, and replies. Now imagine speaking your thoughts out loud and watching them turn into clean text instantly. With Wisprflow, you can open Google Docs, Notion, or even your email. Start talking through your idea and it writes the draft in real time. So a script that normally takes 45 minutes to type can be spoken out in 5 minutes and edited in another 5. That's a full video script done before you even finish your coffee. And if writing faster saves you time, Whisper free tier called Flow Basic provides 2,000 words per week on desktop, Mac/Windows, and 1,000 words per week on iPhone, and now Android is unlimited. Wait till you see what tool number 2 does for design. Tool number 2 is Replit Design. Design is usually where most app ideas get stuck because turning it into a clean interface means hiring a designer, using tools like Figma, or knowing front-end code, which can easily cost you $50 to $200 for just one screen. Inside Replit Design, you can skip all of that. You type something like create a clean mobile app interface for a habit tracker, and it generates the UI layout for you instantly. You can tweak buttons, spacing, or layout with simple instructions and watch it update in real time. So instead of waiting days for mockups, you can prototype your app idea in minutes and move straight to building or pitching it. Now imagine if the rest of your backend work could also run automatically. Tool number 3 is Zapier. Zapier lets you automate tasks that usually eat up your time every single day. Think about what happens after someone fills out your lead form. You still have to open the response, read through it, add the details to your CRM, write a follow-up email, and send it manually. That's easily 20 to 30 minutes gone. With Zapier, you can set this up once so that someone fills out the form, the AI summarizes their response, adds them to your CRM, generates a follow-up message, and sends it automatically. Your system handles it in the background while you work on something else, or even while you sleep. I know you will be wondering if Zapier is actually free. And yes, it's for 2 weeks when you sign up now. But let's talk about something creators spend hours doing every week. How much time do you spend turning long videos into shorts every week? Because this next tool can do that automatically. Tool number 4 is Reka Clip AI. Upload a long video or podcast, and Reka Clip automatically finds the best moments, adds captions, resizes the frame, and turns them into shorts or reels. With Reka Clip, you upload once and it gives you 5 to 10 ready to post shorts in minutes. So instead of manually editing clips for an hour, you can turn one video into a week's worth of short form content automatically. Once you have those clips, you'll probably want to edit them quickly from your phone. That brings us to tool number 5 called YouTube Create for mobile video editing. You just recorded a quick video idea for shorts, but now you're outside in a cab or don't have your laptop with you. Normally, that video would sit in your gallery until you get home. Open your editor, add captions, and export. But with YouTube Create, you can trim the clip, add auto captions, drop in music, and upload it right from your phone. So instead of waiting hours to edit later, you can turn raw footage into a finished short in minutes and publish it on the spot. But what if you want to add a voiceover to those clips without recording your own voice? Tool number 6 called Speechma lets you do that. Speechma lets you generate natural sounding AI voiceovers without paying for tools like 11 Labs or hiring voice actors who charge $30 to $100 per project. For example, let's say you're making a 60-second YouTube short. Normally, you'd either record your own voice or pay someone on Fiverr to do it for you. With Speechma, you can paste your script, pick a voice, click generate, and download a ready-to-use voiceover in seconds. You can use it to create faceless YouTube videos, add narration to reels, record course lessons, and even make ad creatives. Now imagine having a landing page ready for all that content. Tool number 7 is Card. A lot of people never launch their ideas because they think they need a full website first. So they spend days looking at tools like Webflow or Squarespace, and suddenly it's another $20 or $30 per month. Card removes that step completely. You can open it right now, build a one-page landing site, add your offer, add an email form, and start collecting leads the same day. For example, you could write a simple offer with ChatGPT, build a landing page with Card, and start validating a business idea tonight without paying for hosting or writing any code, and without paying for a website builder. This is how many creators test small offers before committing to building a full site for weeks. And once your page is ready, you might want custom background music for your videos. Tool number 8 is Minimax Audio. If you've ever tried adding background music to your videos, you've probably gone to a copyright-free music website, scrolled for 20 minutes and downloaded a track, only to realize it doesn't match your video. Or worse, you upload the video and get a copyright claim. With Minimax, you don't search for music, you generate it. You can type something like create an upbeat background track for a motivational YouTube video, and it will generate a custom music track for you. Now you can use it in YouTube videos, Instagram, Reels, podcasts, and ads without worrying about copyright strikes or licensing issues. Creators are using this to make custom background music for their content in under a minute instead of wasting time searching through music libraries. Now, if you're pitching clients or planning content, this next one can save hours. Tool number 9 is Kimi Slides. Let's say a client asks you for a marketing plan. Normally, you'd open PowerPoint, create the title slide, research the topic, write the content, design layouts, and spend 2 to 3 hours building a presentation from scratch. With Kimi Slides, you just describe your topic like create a 10-slide marketing plan for a fitness coaching business, and it generates the full presentation for you. Headings, content, and structure. You can use this to pitch clients, plan campaigns, create content strategies, or even prepare YouTube video outlines in minutes instead of spending hours designing slides manually. And now, the last tool is the one I personally think is the most powerful because it can replace hours of research work. Tool number 10 is NotebookLM. You can upload up to 50 different sources at once: PDFs, YouTube videos, Google Docs, and NotebookLM will cross-reference them to answer your questions. So instead of reading 20 reports manually, you can upload them all and ask, summarize these topics, compare these ideas, and find trends across these documents. NotebookLM will analyze everything in seconds. You can use it to do market research, study competitors, prepare scripts, and summarize reports in minutes instead of spending hours reading. So research that used to take you 3 to 4 hours can now be done in 10 minutes. If even 2 or 3 of these tools replace the ones you're paying for right now, that's $20, $50, maybe even $100 saved every single month, which means by the end of this year, you could literally save hundreds of dollars just by switching to free alternatives. And more importantly, you stop waiting on freelancers, software experts, or monthly renewals and start creating whenever you want. If this helped you, hit like so YouTube shows this to more creators trying to save money on AI tools. Subscribe for more practical AI workflows like this and comment below which tool you're going to try first. I'll see you in the next one.